Welcome to Dolce Frutti, your destination for premium, organically grown fruits. Nestled in the lush Coachella Valley of Southern California, our farm produces a variety of beautiful fruits including Barhi Dates, Valencia Pride Mangos, and Violette de Bordeaux Figs, shipped straight to your home. We practice permaculture, ensuring sustainable agriculture and eco-friendly farming methods that prevent soil erosion and produce the highest quality of fruits.
The Coachella Valley offers the perfect climate for cultivating dates and mangoes. The warm, sunny days and cool nights help our fruits develop their rich flavors and high nutrient content.
Visit our website, dolcefrutti.com, to purchase our fresh fruits directly. You can also find our products on Amazon, eBay, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok Shop. Don't miss out on bringing the best of Dolce Frutti's harvest to your table.